So working through the API testing challenges at apichallenges.herokuapp.com, and the next challenge is how to get the to-dos in JSON format. Now, we've already seen that when we issue a GET request on the /todos endpoint, we receive the results in JSON anyway. But it's important that we learn how to specify that we want JSON, and we do that by putting in an accept header, and the value will be application/JSON. And if I send this request now, it will come back in JSON. Now, because that's what we were getting, it's hard to see the difference. So I'll just switch this to XML and specify I want XML. Now I'm going to deliberately say I want JSON, and we can see that the results are now coming back in JSON format. Now, there are a whole bunch of accept headers and values in there that we could use, but sometimes applications are picky about the values they want. And the API challenges application is picky. It needs to be application/JSON or application/XML, because you see that the code completion here, if I put this in, is giving me a whole bunch of different options, and there's different values there for JSON, but I need to be specific and say application/JSON. And because I put the X challenger header in, that challenge should now be passed. If you want to work through the challenges yourself, you can find all the information you need at eviltester.com/API challenges. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you're kept up to date with any of the videos we release showing API challenges or APIs in general or testing in general. We have a lot of content here. Subscribe to the channel, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.